Okay, give me a second because I got this call. All right, I'm gonna get with you when I'm done. All right. Yeah. Yo, yo.
Hello, Shonte.
What's up? What's up?
How
How
are
you
you?
doing?
Can you hear my music?
No, I can't. What you listening
Okay,
to?
good. But it is, I am vibing to some funky music.
Love it.
Nice.
Love it.
All right, are you at work right now?
I am. I am. I got a little bit of, I got another hour and a half for my next meeting, so I'm good for now.
Okay, fantastic.
Yes. Let me turn my
All right,
volume up. All right. So what's going on? What's up?
you tell me what question do you have?
You know, I don't really have any questions right now. I'm still working on back testing. I,
Ask questions.
hmm?
Ask questions.
Yeah, let me share my screen. Actually, first, let me even see if I can get on to this from the company. Sign in. How's it going so far? I know it's nighttime over there. How's your day today?
It's been, how do I say this? Very eventful.
Okay.
Like the things I have learned today is lucky. I would say it's so like I wish you knew what I know.
I
Like
know.
it's that kind of a feeling. Like
Yeah,
holy, because
that's
my world has been expanded so much.
mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes. I just saw the option to share my screen and then it went away. Give me a second. Let's why so how you share your screen on here? Because hell, I thought I
There
just
is a share screen button next to the hand button.
okay. All right, I got the hand, but there's a send reaction, three buttons saying okay, present is grayed out for me. You're not
Oh,
available. Presenting is not
okay.
available in this version of Meet. Go to full version and share your screen. Okay, well,
Oh
never mind.
wow,
That's
that
okay.
sucks.
That's okay. That's okay. I know
All right,
when I'm at home, I know we wouldn't have this issue, but I'm still working on back testing. I'm
talk to
s-
me.
yeah, I'm still doing the strategy where I'm analyzing. No, so I look on my 4 hour for direction, then I go to my 15-minute time frame for points of interest like supply and demand zones, fair value gaps. Uh, no, typically I look for the fair value gaps on my higher time frames, and then I jump down to my 15-minute for points of interest to see where I can get in at. And then I jump down to the 1 minute for entry. And I got this strategy from one of the other communities. So I was just kind of back testing it because my mindset, like I really don't like to be in trades all day. Like I don't want to be a swing trader. I want to be in and out as fast, as quick as possible. So that's why I like the 1 minute and 5 minute entries. So just kind of been back testing that to see how that's working out for me. The win rate is in the 40 percentile, but my equity curve is just a roller coaster. So that's what I'm working on, uh, improving on. So I guess that would be my question, which I think I already know the answer. How do I get my equity curve to smooth out and start heading up? I guess I need to
How do you do that?
continue that. For one, I need to get more wins. Continue back testing, continue taking notes, especially on the trades that I lose. Damn, I wish I could share my screen with you, so I could show
Hmm.
you this analytics. Maybe I can do a little screenshot or something. But so right now with this me back testing this specific trading plan, I'm at 46.88% of a win rate. But let me show you this damn equity curve. This damn thing. I'm gonna take a
You
screenshot and
posted a screenshot before. Is it still the same one, or have you added more trades?
No, I've added more trades, so it's different now.
Just tell me how it looks. It's just sideways. Is that it?
It's literally like
Okay,
up and down fluctuating.
that's normal. That's okay.
Okay.
Why do you want to trade the 1 minute? Like, why do you want to be quick in and out?
I just I just want to be in and out. I don't want to be sitting all day. I don't want to hold trades for days
Okay,
and
what do you
hours.
want to do?
Huh?
What do you want to do?
I want to be a scalper. I really want to scalp.
No. Okay, so that's you're done scalping, right? Let's imagine this situation. You're done scalping for the day.
Okay.
So what do you want to do?
Oh, okay. So if I'm done scalping for the day, then what I would want to do is either back test or review my trades that I've taken that I've lost and kind of figure out, what went wrong. Because sometimes it's not always me. Sometimes it's just, the market just doing something else. So
What else do you want to do?
probably watch some videos to further understand that trading strategy that I'm back testing. And then if you're talking about outside of trading, then that'd be something different. But just as
Yeah,
far as
let's talk about that.
okay, outside of trading, so outside of scalping, outside of back testing, outside of watching videos, then my next thing would just be chilling, man, chilling, watching something on TV, just decompressing.
Do you want to do that more?
Hell yeah, yeah, I would love to. I would love to be able to. Another one of my goals is to be able to trade and be done with trading before afternoon, if possible.
Why?
So I can have the rest of the day to do whatever I want to do, whether that's study, whether that's leisurely activities, whatever the case may be.
Hmm.
What else? What else you want to know?
So that's what you want to do, right?
hmm
So now, when you think about building your system, it has to be around that, the thing you want to do.
Facts. Okay.
So you're thinking of the system and you're not just testing any random strategy or trying strategies. What you're doing is you're going in and you're saying, hey, this is what I want, not
hmm
trading related stuff. Because why are you trading? Because you want a better life.
Right.
So don't get things confused that everything is now trading. No, trading is fuck all. Nobody gives a shit. You're gonna make money and nobody's celebrating for you. You're not it's like you're doing such great things, but nobody gives a shit. You're sitting in your room and that's it. So
hmm
why are you trading? You're trading because you want that, what you just described to me. All that thing,
hmm
everything.
Right.
But this whole time I was inquiring and inquiring and inquiring, and you're talking about trading and trading and trading and
I
trading.
know. I thought that's what you was asking, but no, you did.
No,
I got you.
you see? But
hmm
that's what trading is.
hmm
Until you can get out of that, where I ask you what else, what do you want to do? And it's not trading related.
Yeah.
Until you start doing that, you won't become the trader you need to be.
hmm
Because why are you doing this?
Right. Yeah, like I want to have more free time. I want to be able to
Yes.
travel more. I want to be
And
able to.
maybe that's why you want to do the 1 minute. Get
Yeah.
in and out, and you're like, oh, I've made my money, and that's it.
Yeah.
So the 1 minute has nothing to do with what you want.
Right.
Maybe the 1 minute might even confine you. The 1 minute might be like, oh fuck, I want to travel. Fuck, I got this trading time scheduled.
hmm
So that might actually hurt. That might be actually against what you want, what you truly want. You have
Gotcha.
already told me what you want.
hmm
Now the back testing and all your brain power is just going into the fact of how do I get what I want? You're basically solving a puzzle. You're solving a problem that you have in your
I'm
life.
listening. I'm listening. Close this door. I'm listening to you.
I get too passionate. I'm sorry if I'm too loud. I get
No,
too
no,
passionate.
no, no. Please, damn it, this door won't close. No, you're good. Don't change up anything you're doing. You're good. I'm in a conference room.
Awesome.
You're good.
But yeah, do you see where I'm coming from?
Absolutely. Absolutely. So, okay. So yeah, that's what I want. I want freedom. I don't want to be glued to a job for 8 hours of the day. I just want my time back so I can do travel and do what I want to do. So,
Mhm.
got you.
My
So,
mom got me.
uh-oh.
Oh
Drinking a little protein shake or something.
yeah. Oh yeah.
Nice. Do you make them yourself? Well, yeah, because you got it in your own thermos.
I mean, my mom makes it for my younger brother,
Nice.
and then I'm like, hey, where's my drink? Yeah.
Yeah, man. So I'm just still plugging away, still back testing and just seeing what works for me and my style and keeping my emotions in check too. That's another thing. Trying not to be so emotionally tied to a trade or to the outcome. Um,
Why are you emotionally tied to it?
I used to be. I used to really get upset when my stop loss would get hit
Why?
because I felt like that was a fail. But not now at first. Now my mindset is when my stop loss gets hit, actually it's not that I failed. It's actually it's not even a bad thing because really it's a protection. Because if I didn't have that stop loss, I would have lost even more money. So now I look at it like I don't even get upset anymore. I just kind of it's like it is what it is for the most part. Let me not say anymore because I am still human. I'm still working on it. So every now and then I may have my a moment where I'm like, oh shit, stop loss hit. Okay, let me see what I did wrong. And then sometimes it's not that I did something wrong. Sometimes it's just what's going on. And then sometimes it is maybe I got into it early or didn't analyze the trade thoroughly like I should have. So varying factors.
I still go through that.
Yeah, I'm sure. I'm sure.
That's that comes with being a trader.
True.
It
Hmm.
it's always going to be there.
Right.
And as a trader, you're pushing yourself consistently. Let's
Hmm.
say you're taking $100 trade,
Hmm.
and then, or maybe $10 trade. You bump it up to 50. You get used to 50. You practice. You kind of marinate in it. Like, okay, this is my new kind of standard. Because you're building your character up. If you build it too fast and too high, it
Hmm.
crumbles because the foundation's too weak.
Right.
And all traders' problem is, besides that they're having just the wrong information or scattered information, um, they just crumble because the foundation has not been built. You
Mhm.
cannot go to a big funded account and expect to be capable of that because you're just not there yet.
Right.
As a character, as the human being that you are, like you as a human being have to be capable of undertaking the responsibility of,
Hmm.
let's say, 100K account, 200K, 500K, a mil. You have to be capable of that.
Hmm.
If you're not, it crumbles. You fail, basically. And so it's this step process where you go from 50 to 100, and then now you're risking 200. Now you're risking 3. You're risking 4, 5, 6, 1, 10. Like it goes up, but at each level, you're basically having to break new barriers, right?
Right.
And so, although you, as a trader, are training yourself all the time to like detach and like kind of just be very observant and very just like a watcher of things, like, oh, I'm feeling this way, I'm feeling shit, I'm feeling this, and you just let it be. You just process it. You just say, you know what? Okay, this thought is there, and that's good
Hmm.
because this is a good thought. As in, this is feedback for me. This is just what's happening, let it process, and that's it. So, for example, for me, like, I have 2% loss this week.
Okay.
All the things you mentioned, I feel it. I feel all of it, you know? And so I'm thinking, oh, I should have taken an entry, this, that, and there is literal good reflections in that,
Mm-hmm.
you know? Like for me, I have literal reflections just because I'm neutrally observing all the fucking chaos going on, right? And for
Mm-hmm.
me, that is where I am now resting. I have cut all trading because I'm no longer 100%. I have to process all this shit first.
Mm-hmm.
And so I'm not going into the markets to trade until this shit is solved. And this shit, it might be like I could have entered earlier or I could have exited earlier. Like there's so many things going on.
Right.
And what you want to do is before you go back into the market. So for me, before I go back into the markets,
Mm-hmm.
I want to make sure that I have solved all my issues
Okay.
internally, technically, whatever questions, doubts, anything that I am feeling inside, thinking inside has to
Mm-hmm.
be solved. Because once it's solved, I become a confident trader.
Yeah.
Now I'm going in for the kill again.
Mm-hmm.
And that's how you approach this. You go into the markets for the kill.
That's right.
And
I like-
so I think for you, maybe the system might not be working. It has nothing to do with the technicals. This is why it's like, why is it working for him, not me? Because
Mm-hmm.
we're different people with different lives. And it
Mm-hmm.
literally, like, nobody can have the same system. You just can't. You just can't. It's just not possible. And
Right.
so that's why I don't really teach technical. Like I don't even talk about technical stuff because it's not the point. It's like such a small thing. It's like
Right.
technical stuff is A B C D. The
Yeah.
real is like, what do I want in my life? And then these are the real questions, like literal life questions you're asking, just
Mm-hmm.
for the sake of becoming a better trader, so you can make more money and whatever, whatever.
Mm-hmm.
But in the process of becoming that trader that you want to be, you literally are improving your life. Because by improving your life, you are becoming a more capable human, and a more capable human makes a more capable trader.
Yes.
Yeah.
I like that. Like it. Okay. So, yeah, my focus is, yeah, I need to, I'm just looking at this equity curve. It started out high, now it dipped low,
How
and
do you
now,
want it?
huh?
How do you want it?
I want it to go, I want it to be like when I see y'all going up. So I need it going up.
That's it. That's what you want. That's what you want.
That's what I want. I want it to go up.
Okay. So
Hmm.
now look at this not from the system you've been trading,
Okay.
but as an open book.
Okay.
Empty everything and just look at this as like, I want my equity curve to go up.
Hmm.
You don't have to think about win percentage and RR or anything.
Okay.
All you're thinking about is, I want my equity curve to be looking like that. And then get your brain going.
Okay.
How can I plug pieces in all the information about technical analysis I know? How can
Hmm.
I piece things together so that my equity curve starts going up?
I'm taking notes.
Okay.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Okay. So how can I plug in the pieces to make my equity curve start to go up?
Yeah, with whatever information you have. And if you think you need further information, then I'm here. So
Oh yeah,
ask away, right?
absolutely. Okay. Okay. I mean that makes sense. Plugging the pieces, and I already have a wealth of knowledge too. It's just like you
Hmm.
said, plugging it in, and I have, like
Plugging
you
it
said,
into what point though, right? Now
right.
this is all the main thing is like what I feel like I get paid for is just getting you clear on what the fuck you want.
Yes.
I don't have answers for you, but like I can help you see your shit so you
Right.
can work on the shit because once you know what the shit it looks like, you can work on it. But when you
Exactly.
don't, then like it's
You're
where's the
right.
shit? Ah, fuck, I can't see shit. Like, so that's the main point. This is for
Right.
everybody.
Yeah.
It's just about knowing what you want.
Mm-hmm.
You want an equity curve that goes up.
Mm-hmm.
Now fucking go all at that. That's the only
Sure.
mission. It doesn't matter how you get that done.
For sure.
Use a fucking negative risk reward if that's what it takes.
Good.
You know what I mean? Like,
Absolutely.
forget all the things about you need to risk 1 to 3, you need to have blah 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 1% blah blah blah. Fuck all that. Use
Mm-hmm.
your brain. You
Absolutely.
have one mission:
Mm-hmm.
increase the equity curve,
Mm-hmm.
and have fun at it. Like, do it in a way where this is like, this is me, baby. Like, I can do
Right.
this. I can see
Mm-hmm.
myself doing this. So you want to have fun, and you want that equity curve going up. Solve the problem. That's it.
Absolutely. Got it. Got it. Got it. Okay. So then that's my mission. That's my mission. Um, what do you think about, should I set a time frame? Should I set a time frame? Like, and what I mean by that, like, should I say I want to have my equity curve go up by, it's mid-month, by end of the month? Or should I not try to box myself in with a time frame? Fuck the time. Don't worry about the time frame. Just focus on the mission, which is making my equity curve go up, regardless of how long that takes.
The second one.
That's what I figured. Okay. So forget about that. And that's another thing that I've noticed about myself. I keep putting time limits. I want to do X by Y. I want
Why?
to do, you know,
Why?
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 And that's the thing. Why do I feel like that? Sometimes I feel I don't have a good why. It's just I just want to do it by this date, and I don't really have a better answer than that. So that tells me that's it's not that serious, like, because I don't even have a good why. It's just I just be wanting to do it just to put a date on it, just to say by this date is done. But
What happens when it's done by this date?
right, what happens when it's done by this date? Either move on to something else, or it's really no, it's
What do
really
you want?
no,
What do you want to move on to?
whatever my next.
What is the next?
So like, okay, yeah, good. Thank you for these questions. I need to have these answers. Another thing, I wanted to get back into prop firm trading, because I do want to have access to that capital. So yeah, that would be my next step. Solidify, figure out how to make my equity curve go up, however long that takes. Then once I get that, and I have my trading plan, which is, well, of course, my trading plan would be solid for my equity curve to go up. So then my next step would be looking at a prop firm trading. Why? Because I want to have access to capital, more capital, to be able to do the things that I want to do. But then I've been burned by a few firms
You
before, so I
skipped
got
a
to do,
step. You
huh?
skipped a step.
Okay, what
After
was that?
back testing and
Mm-hmm.
before prop trading,
Mm-hmm.
there's a step. It's demo trading.
Demo trade. Well, you know why I skipped that? Because I do that. I'm doing that now. I'm demo trading in the middle of. I shouldn't be.
It's no use. What are
Really?
you demo trading?
I'm demo trading the strategy that I'm back testing.
But it's like back testing is where you build the strategy and then you test it in the demo. Like, in back testing, it's like, oh, it's up equity, so you know it works. Now it's like, can I actually make it work? Can I work? That's why you demo. And in that, like, that's another whole back testing phase, because a lot of refinement is going on. Because how you perform in real life, it's like you have a job and all these life things are going on and trading is there. And so, like, okay, you built the system, great.
Hmm.
How does that play out in real life, in your real day-to-day life? And maybe it doesn't play out. So you're going to have to go back.
Got it. Demo trading is where I test the trading plan. Okay. So
Think
my
about it.
focus.
Yeah. Think about it this way.
Mm-hmm.
If you are an investor
Mm-hmm.
and you have $1 million you want to invest into a trader, why would they come to you?
Got it. Okay. And
So you
so,
want to build that so
right.
that they come to you. You get that?
Yes, I'm writing that down. So with $1 million in capital, why would they want to invest in me? And then I need to figure out what my why is. Well, for one, why I would want somebody to invest in me, because I want to have a proven strategy or trading plan um, that has proven results. Capital, why would they want to invest? Okay, things to think about. Things to think about. Loving it. Okay. So back testing. So forget about demo trading right now. I need to focus on building my trading plan. Let me bold that and put that in a different color. That needs to be my mission, building along with getting my equity curve up. But my equity is not going to go up until I solidify my trading plan. Okay. Got
Equity
it.
curve will only go up when you go into your building your trading plan process, thinking about how do I make it so that, how do I manipulate it, how do I fucking magic voodoo shit on it so that the equity curve goes up. You're like literally designing it so that it goes up.
Facts. Got it. Okay.
You're not trying anything. You're literally building it with a mission in mind. Like, this is what this does. And then you're building it. I want to build a boat. And then you don't start building a fucking airplane. You start building a boat. So you go in with that mission. I want the equity. I want to build a system that equity curve goes like this. And fucking get to work.
Absolutely. So I know what I need to be working on, focusing on back testing more and building that trading plan and putting
You
in
could
those.
literally go into back testing sessions and you're just fucking trying shit. You don't give a shit about the equity curve, but it's sometimes really fun because you're trying shit and the equity curve is still going up, and you're like, damn, I'm not even trying. What if I did? And then you start seeing like, oh, this was the kind of thing that was working, because you're in that session, you're like owning a lot of information really fast. You're building this intuitive edge. And that's where you're picking things up. You're subconsciously picking like, oh, this is working, like this is kind of, you're piecing, and then you're because now you're on a mission of upward equity. So you try everything. You try everything. You try one-to-one risk rewards. You even try fucking negative risk rewards. You try big risk rewards. You small, like you try everything. You risk less. You risk a little more. You try everything. And this is a process. There's no time. I don't know.
Right.
I don't
So
know.
that's what I need to get out of my mind. Like, stop trying to put a time limit on things and just focus on quality. Just focus on getting that result, regardless of how long it takes. I get it.
You want the money, and and trading is so beautiful like this, and this is why I love it so much. You want the money, right? But you have to think of it like the money's too heavy for you right now.
Yeah.
The money is yours for the taking. You just gotta get stronger.
Thanks.
And so I love trading for that reason. It's like, here's all this money, but before you get it, you gotta get six-pack abs. And it's like, oh damn, you wouldn't be like, oh damn it, fuck, I'm not gonna get the money. You'd be like, dude, you mean I get six-pack abs and I get the money?
Right.
Win, dude, win. I'll take it. And if you don't, then I don't know who the fuck you are. Like, you're just lazy like that. Then I can't help. But I would. And a trader needs to be that. And so this is not just about what you do in the markets. Everything trading related is how you operate outside of the markets.
True.
You know, that's
Hmm.
how it is. Like for me, today I was in a bunch of meetings and I'm talking to different fund managers and investors and like, whew, dude, we're talking in big hundreds of billions and millions and we're
Yes.
talking easy money. Like these words are being thrown around.
Hmm.
And I'm sitting there, I'm like, holy, like it's not holy, but I'm sitting there as if it's a normal conversation I'm having. But
Right.
I'm observing myself. I'm like, holy shit, like, damn,
Hmm.
this is crazy.
Hmm.
But then it is outside the markets where I'm seeking opportunities. I'm
Right.
taking advantage of like these are opportunities. I
Hmm.
want to be around these people. I want to be. They're building buildings and projects and different things. Like I'm involved. I want to be around that.
Right.
And so this kind of a like a mentality, this kind of a approach to life outside of the markets, that's what makes you succeed in the markets. Because now the market is not like this whole big like, oh fuck, make money from here. It's
Hmm.
just it's part of my toolkit. It's my tool belt.
Yes.
It's just one of my things. I need to hammer something. I'm gonna go get the hammer. I want to like type on a keyboard. I'm gonna use a keyboard to type and text and right tool for the right thing.
True. I like that. Now, do you still trade for, because I watched your video
Yeah,
with Rob
yeah,
Reinhold, I believe.
yeah.
Do you still trade for him? Like, or do you work at that company, the
I think
Maverick
I will
Trading?
trade for him forever.
You
Like
will?
I'm not like I am not who I am without him.
That's what's up. That's what's
Yeah.
okay. So, so you still work at Maverick Trading, or do you just trade for him? Like, how does that work? I'm just interested.
Well, you could go to their prop page and like figure out like kind of watch their videos and introductions and everything.
Yeah, I did. I watched a couple of them.
Yeah. With me, it's a bit different because I'm like we've built a really strong relationship over the years. So
Good.
we've had like it went from a coach, trading coach, head coach, risk manager. I got in,
Mhm.
I'm this new kid and like oh, and then you know, so he goes from coach, then he goes to being like kind of my life mentor at the same time,
Mhm.
and then he gets to a point where he's my dad. Like this is he's my dad because my real
Mhm.
life dad's been he's like everything I don't want to be, and then there's
Got
Rob who's like everything I want to be, and then I'm like shifting. So he became like a dad figure,
it.
and so it's been a very interesting journey. And so I kind of work with Rob, like it's just so intimate the connection. So it's
Yeah. Mhm.
um yeah he carries me so to speak. Like I am under his wing in a way.
Yeah, I like that.
Build a system. I go to
Mhm.
him, show him my everything. Like this is my
Mhm.
plan. This is my equity curve. It's like going to taking a proposal, going to the boss and saying, "Hey, I need some money. This is it. This is how I'm gonna make money with your money, and we're both gonna get rich." And like that's how it works.
Nice.
Um,
Okay.
uh, and yeah, so for me, it's build a plan, trade it, make it work, demo trade it, get some actual data. Like this actually works. I can generate profit. And then it's
Mhm.
like, okay, let's put funding behind it. Let's put money behind it. But let's not go all in like fucking. Let's put everything. But it's
Right.
like let's put a little bit, test the waters with this because it's a new strategy. It's a new game plan. It's a new like you know you cooling in the water. Like you kind of like adjust
Mhm.
and then build and scale as you know. It's like okay, consistent returns. This is nice. I like this. I'm comfortable with this. He's comfortable with it. I'm comfortable with it because it's his money and I'm trading it. And
Mhm.
so both have to be comfortable with it,
Right.
you know, because
Mhm.
I am also responsible. I do
Right.
not want to lose his money
Exactly.
because I care for him and he cares for me. And the way we win is if we both win.
Mhm.
And so it's a very mutual relationship where it's like you win, I win, we both win. And that's one of the things I want to do with Noble Traders as well, where
Yeah.
um, initially I started like, oh, I'm gonna do it, and then as I'm building and everything, I'm like, I like that's definitely there, but it's not today.
Right.
That's a long process. But
Mhm.
one of the reasons I did start Noble Traders was for that, where it's like I want to train traders now, um, so that I know when it's time for me to build up that fund and start actually funding people, I
Yeah.
already have traders that
Mm-hmm.
I have trained and I know what they do. And so
Yeah.
I can manage them. So it's like me becoming Rob in a way.
Right. Mm-hmm.
I'm just on in his footsteps in this industry, so to speak.
Definitely. That's what's
So that's
up.
my idea. That's my idea, and that's why I want more people in the community
Mm-hmm.
because the real way we all make money, like yeah, I completely get that the education space is what I need to focus on right now because
Mm-hmm.
that's the only way I can actually make a difference and actually pool in talent, so to speak. It's just I'm
Mm-hmm.
looking for talent. You don't need to know how to trade, but come in and
Mm-hmm.
I can guarantee you will succeed because I know the exact process. I'm not giving you a bullshit or like I don't want to say bullshit. I'm not giving you a system. I'm teaching you how to do the system, how to make it by yourself, and that's what a trader is.
Yeah.
Because when I give you my money, I'm also saying, hey, I trust you.
That's you right. Mm-hmm.
And so with this community, in a way, I kind of that's one of the reasons. It's like I will have my talent with me. I know these people.
So I'm looking forward to it.
That's like the overall direction, I suppose.
Yeah, no, I love it. Absolutely love it. What's his name? Harvin. Me and Harvin, or Harvin and I, we got a call on Friday. It's going to be our
Uh-huh.
first call. So anything that you want us to go over in particular? Because besides back testing, or are we just kind of meeting just to kind of like get to know each other and bounce ideas off of each other, so to speak? And is that it, or is there anything you'd like for us to discuss? Because I'm sure we can come up with something to talk about. I know we can go over our back testing results and things like that. But anything else we need to talk
I think
about?
it would be valuable for you to ask him how he did his,
Absolutely. Okay.
because I've taught him how to think about it.
Okay.
And it is entirely possible that you build it and then you go to a demo stage and you realize, wait, this is not it. Like this is not what I want.
Yeah.
That's part of the process. And that's why just demo trading itself is no use until you have the system. You want the system, something you know that works.
Mm-hmm.
And then you go to demo trading, taking that system and seeing and making it work.
Mm-hmm.
And then in the process of making it work, actually analyzing, do I even like making this work?
Right. How do I?
Because if you don't, then go get a job. It's the same thing. What are you doing?
Mm-hmm.
Why did you start trading in the first place? Like we keep forgetting that all the time. And that's why we focus on all the wrong shit.
Yeah. Got it. Got it. Okay. Well, I got some good things to think about. I have a direction. I have a path. What I need to focus on. Stop worrying about taking trades in my demo account and focus on building my trading plan and getting my equity curve up. Also, I'm gonna be thinking about your question. If I was an investor, or if there was an investor with $1 million in capital, why would they want to invest in me? And I need to really come up with um, a realistic and good answer. Like, why would I? Because this will be a question one day. I'm speaking that into existence. One day there will be an opportunity like this, and I want to be able to have that answer. Just like an interview, you got to sell yourself. So
Mhm.
I get that. Then, okay, Friday we're meeting with, not we, but Friday, Harvin and I are meeting 17. So I need to ask him how he created his trading plan. Like, what were the steps involved? Okay, I got a game plan. Got a game plan, at least somewhat of an outline where to get started. Okay. Anything else you want me to take to Harvin besides that, or should I just focus on picking his brain when it comes to creating his
Mm,
trading plan?
with you, I want you to have you done the MBTI test?
No, but I can
I
do
want
it.
you to do that.
MBTI.
Yeah, test.
Okay.
And I want you to start going down the rabbit hole of numerology.
Okay.
So, what is your birthday number?
Birth August 13th.
13. So, you're at a life path 4. So, just look up numerology, life path 4, and like fucking just go down the rabbit hole.
Okay. Life path, the number 4.
Yeah, life path 4.
Got it. Life path 4. And then do the M is in
MBTI.
Mary, B is in Bravo, T is in Tom, I is in India test.
Yeah.
MBTI. Okay.
And
Perfect.
also go down that rabbit hole.
Right, right. Yeah, I got that too. And go down that rabbit hole,
Both,
research.
like both things. These both
Both of them.
things.
Both of them. Got it. I will do that. And then I'll get back with you and let you know. I'll share the results. I
Yeah.
can post them. Do you want me to post it in the community or just share it with you?
Our community is good.
Perfect. Okay. Post in the community.
Do it before the back testing.
Okay.
So you might even spend a week, no back testing, no charts, nothing, just MBTI and this numerology,
Numerology, life path 4. Okay.
because they will give you a lot of insight, and the person you are right now versus after you've gone dive deep into it, you will have some additional information to your disposal that will guide you in the direction of what your trading plan is, what you want it to be, because you will get a lot of clarity from that.
Love it. Love it. Love it. Okay. Well, that's on my list. And that's what I'll start with first. So first, we'll look into the MBTI test, research that, go down that rabbit hole, and
Yeah.
then look into that numerology life path 4.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay.
With numerology, you can just watch YouTube videos and
Okay.
just look. Don't blindly think of these things and like accept them as truth.
Yeah.
You need to be the judge of your own truth.
Okay.
And this goes into trading too. It's like when you click the buy and sell button, it's like that's your truth. You're literally putting your money on the line. There's no higher form of like, I stand on this. Like you're taking a trade as I stand on this. Not many people can do that. This takes fucking balls, right?
Yeah.
Or in a woman's case,
No, I get you. You good. You good. I understand what you mean. But no, no. Thank you, Harjit. This is gold, man. I love talking to you. Because you helped me to expand and think outside the box. I never would have even thought to take a MBTI test or
yeah,
research
that's a test. So
numerology.
that's gonna be a test. You're gonna have to like complete a Q&A kind of thing, and then we'll
Yeah,
give you a result, and then you
mhm,
dive deep into the result.
facts. I sure will.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm a wrap it up. I do got a team member just reached out.
Cool.
I need to do a little bit of help them out, and then I got my meeting coming up at 10:30. But Harjit, it
Thank you
is
for being
always
here.
a pleasure. I appreciate
Yeah,
you, brother. You
I
will be
appreciate
hearing
it.
from me, man. Okay.
All right.
All right. Now
Take
have
care.
a good one. Bye bye.
Have a good day and a good night to me. Bye bye.
You as well. Bye bye.
That was nice. I just end the call.